Welcome back to a new video. And you want to test your muscle endurance, strength, stamina, cardio, and of course your mental toughness and try the 135 bench press challenge. I did, and man, I'm telling you, it's tougher than what you think it is. I don't care how strong you are. The goal of the bench press challenge is to do the maximum number of reps for 135 pounds for as many times as you can without stopping. I encourage you to take the test yourself to see where you stack up. I left the chart in the comments to see where you should be or relative should be, about how many reps you should be doing at your weight and all that good stuff. Other than that, drop your reps in the comment, tell me how many reps you got, and I'll see you in the next video.